So, what are you up to?
Let me catch my breath here one moment. I am running from Burlington, Vermont, all the way down to Morristown, New Jersey, just outside of New York City, to raise money for the people who were most impacted by Hurricane Irene.
So when did you start from Burlington?
Yesterday at 3:30 p.m.
About how fast are you moving?
I'm going around 5 miles per hour.
And when would you expect to get to arrive?
I'll be arriving around October 9th, Sunday, October 9th.
What prompted you to take this on?
Well, to make a long story short, I was sitting in church and my church did something called a reverse collection. They handed out denominations of 10, 20s, and $50 bills and said, do with this as the Holy Spirit leads. So I received a $10 bill. I decided that I would use the gifts that God's given me, which is to run and inspire people. And I made a website in 3 days and told everybody that I would run from Burlington, Vermont to Morristown, New Jersey, which is 325 miles, to raise money for the people who have been devastated by Hurricane Irene, and starting with that $10 bill that I received.
So what have you encountered many people on the way?
Yes, I've encountered a lot of people who were riding their bikes who were inquisitive, asked me what I was doing. I had the opportunity to tell them, or people who were just walking by. It was neat to be able to exchange stories and just tell them what we're up to.
Well, what's the name of your website again?
The website is IreneReliefRunNJ.com.
Okay, well, thank you very much and good luck on your trip.
Thank you so much.